Well, so last time, if you remember, the drive was not so successful. We had a left rear brake lock up on the car. We adjusted the brakes. It was just an adjustment that we needed to do, and everything seems to be good. So we took it out on a 30-mile test drive today. Everything worked as it should. The brakes worked just fine. What people don't understand is when we're driving these cars, a lot of people want to stop and look and take pictures of the cars, and that's all fine and well, but the problem with that is these cars don't stop like a modern car does, and you really have to pay attention to your traffic pattern and to see if you're going to make a light or not make a light. There's a lot of things to kind of consciously remember that you don't do every day in your normal daily driver. For instance, double clutch because it's straight cut gear for the shifter, and then obviously the handbrake comes into play along with that. But other than that, it drove like the car was meant to be in 1920, and it did well today. So we're happy about that, and we'll decommission from here and get it back out on the floor and pull something else out.